Hello, welcome all of you in criteria and methods of Swedenborn. In this lecture, we will learn about criteria for selection of suitable Swedenborn in various diseases, enumeration of the most beneficial Swedenborn, standard operational procedure of the Swedenborn, modified Swedenborn, wise voice, classical methods, pinned Sweden variety with indications and rationality. Sweating is defined as the process of the sweat gland of the skin secreting a salty fluid or simply being wet with perspiration. How a physiological process is brought forward as therapeutic in Ayurveda long ago in a big question. Ayurveda, a traditional health system of Indian continent, brought many minutes observation of common process with therapeutic values. Svedana karma. It is a regulative sweating process with the aid of direct or indirect heat that generates the sweat to eliminate the biowaste materials from the body. The sweating is removing the mala from the body and protective nature. It may not be termed as a putative but certainly a factor to influence the elimination process in purification methods of Panchkarma. The Sodhan Panchkarma are mainly four types as per Charak and became five along with Raktamokshan Karma. The Sodhan Panchkarma are capable of eliminating the dosa from costa only. The coast is mainly gastrointestinal tract GIT and its attachment like liver, pancreas, kidney, heart, lungs, etc. Svedana is only one of the Upkarma but not has its place as a Sodhana. It clearly states that the Sodhana Purva Karma and Upkarma are different. It is to understand that the Upkarma is Saman and the Sodhana Purva Svedana is adjunct to Sodhana. Thus we derive three terms Purva Karma Svedana, Upkarma Saman Svedana and Paschat Karma Svedana. Either because of weather or any heating mechanism like steam or due to exercise of fever, even the body temperature is raised and sweat is released through ducts of skin. It motions the surface of body and cool the individual down as it evaporates. Sweat is made mostly of water, but about 1% of sweat is a combination of salt and fat. Criteria and methods of Swedanakam. The salt and fats of the body are regulated through temperature to sweat. The criteria of selection of different Swed mentioned in text or adaptation and new trends and developments is not a simple task. Ayurvedic methods of examination of the patient and the dosa dusya randomization and its impact analysis is essential to determine for the selection of Sweden methods for better results. Functions of Sweden. Main functions of Sweden karma are Stambhagna, stiffness is removed. Commonly, cramps, muscle stiffness are observed in Bath Vyadhi like Gardasi, Manyastam, etc. Gauravagna. Heaviness is removed through. Heaviness is a symptom of cough in disease like obesity, circulatory collapse, Pakshagat, etc. Sheathagna. Coldness is removed. All cold intolerance disease like hypothyroidism, hypopituitarism, Raynaud's phenomenon, SLE, etc. Shvedana. Induct perspiration. All the people of hypohidrosis like diabetes, alcoholism, Kampavat, amyloidosis, etc. In salt retention diseases like edema occurs primarily because of the body retention of too much salt, like sodium chloride. The excess salt causes the body to retain water, which then leaks into the interstitial tissue space where it appears as edema. Few medications also can cause pitting edema. Lack of physical activity or decreased thyroid activity increase production of adrenal hormone cortisol, and resistance to the hormone insulin can be cause of abnormal weight gain or fat depositions. First system is endocannabinoid system that stores fat to use as a reserve energy. The second system involves the enzyme AMP kinase normally mobilize the fat to be burned and release the stored energy. Inactivity of AMP kinase result in two fat depositions. Examine a patient thoroughly for the swab indications told in Samhita. Hot intolerance cause contraindications. Anxiety, hypothyroidism, menopause, multiple sclerosis, cancer, and peripheral autonomous neuropathy. Now, enumeration of the most beneficial Swedan karma. Sushrut, I consider the latest scientific compendium of Ayurveda classifies Swedan as Tapaswed. The heat is transmitted through any material, cloth, metallic vessels, hand, etc. Usnaswed. Baspa, it is done with water steam either through a nozzle or in a vessel. Upanaswed. Material applied or lap or tied over surface like bandhan or material tied into the portly like pind for sedation. Dravaswed. Liquids are used here for submerging abga or pouring parishek or soaring versulika. Tapaswed. 28 to 30 degree delicate soft skinned people or people required low to medium temperature constantly for longer duration or for the rasa rakta disease. Upanaha Sweda 32 to 36 degree. Whenever upsed or swelling are observed, bandhan, muscles disease, pseudomuscular atrophy, paralysis, etc., where medium duration for the mass and tendon disease. The benefits are cumulated with space maintenance, material economy, manpower requirement, cost effectiveness, season suitability, person suitability, and disease suitability. Check vitals, BP, pulse, weight, height, BMI. Note any cardiac or skin problem are there. Inquire for the psychological intervention or phobia. Check the condition of patient for the selection of type of Swedan. According to the dhatu involvement or availability, the schedule can be fixed. Record blood pressure and pulses. Check whether Abhyanga is done or not. Note whether the Swedan is for local or full body, either Ekang or Sarvanga. Check the medicine and material for the type of sedan required. Each SOP differs. Steam for the required time or till the forehead sweating is recorded. Record BP and pulse. Standard Swedan Karm are done by closed or open method. Modifications are done according to the situation as it demands. Use of infrared lamp directly, infrared lamp on Kativasti, Januvasti, etc. Hot air blowers, heat eliminating reflectors, heat transmitting color plates, chromotherapy. Pind or pottery is a pack of materials according to the condition to transmit the heat initially and therapeutic value embedded in it. गुणानुसार स्निग्ध रुक्ष स्निग्ध रुक्ष स्थान भेद एकांग और सर्वांग प्रायोगिक भेद मृदु मध्यम महान द्रव्य भेद वालुका चूर्ण षष्टिकशाली पत्रपिंड एसेट्रा प्रिपरेशन ऑफ पिंड स्वेदन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ प्रोसीजर स्निग्ध स्वेद The material requirement for this is til, mass, sali rice, masaras and amla varga dravya. Useful in Vata Vyadhi, Vata Pradhana rog. Examples are Patra Pinda Sweda, Sashtik Sali Pinda Sweda. Ruksha Swedan material requirement are purish of cow, horse, donkey, sand, used in आमदोष उरुस्तंभ मेदो रोग ग्रंथि कफज विकार एंड ससोथशूल एग्जाम्पल्स आर बालुका स्वेद इन पत्रपिंड स्वेद 500 gram leaves selected according to the conditions sigru अर्क दतूरा चिंचा एरंड Nirgundi Patra 25 gram of Prachep Dravya like Satapuspa, Devadaru, Rasna, etc. also required. 10 grams Sandhav Lavan, especially in Vat or Vat Kaph Vyadhi, is also required. 50 ml of Vathar Tel like Kotum Chukadi, Panchaguna, Lakhu Visgarbh, Mahanarayana Dasamula, कर्पूरादि तेल धन्वंतरम तेल एसेट्रा लेमन अम्ल वर्ग गुड टू ऐड इन वात व्याधि 100 gram weight coconut granulate commonly used in Kerala to induce enuctation. Patrapind Swedan is a snigdha ruksha type of swed useful in rheumatoid arthritis, ambat, pakshagat, paralysis, osteoarthritis, संधिवात, myalgia, neuralgia, lumbago, paresthesia, etc. Arand patra pinda swed in Mutrakraksha, Arand chincha patra swed in Avavahu is also useful. Sashtik Sali Pinda Swedan. Indications are Balvat poliomyelitis, Pakshagat paralysis, post-polio residual paralysis, Vata Sonit or Vata Rakta, Sosh emaciation, Vata Rog associated with Dhatuchaya, neurological disorders, mass source peripheral neuritis, etc. and other conditions which result into the atrophy of muscles, spasticity, reduced mobility, rigidity, low back, sciatica, scoliosis, kyphosis, arthritis are the other conditions which in cystic Sali-Pind syndrome are very useful. The material requirement for cystic Sali-Pind syndrome are Balamul 12 pulp or 600 gram, water 8 liter or 3 adak, decoction of Balamul 3 prast or 2 liter, cow milk 1 liter or 1.5 prast, Sashtik Sali rice 500 gram or half prast. This makes 100 gram each 5 potli that can run by the 4 therapists at once. If minimum number of therapists 2 are working, 250 to 300 gram of Sashtik Sali can be used to make 3 potli. There seems to have been about 100 varieties of rice, but only about 20 types are said to be existing. Anjura is one of 20. Anjwara is a traditional Karelian rice called as cooled with fragrance, commonly red rice, reaped with 60 days needed longer time to cook, 38 days. Black gloomed Anjwara has been used in Ayurveda treatment from the age of Charak. Nawajwara rice consisted of 73% carbohydrate, 9.5% protein, 2.5% fat, 1.4% S, and 1628 calorie per 100 gram of energy. The anjur has more carbohydrate, non-starch polysaccharide that makes the bolus slimy in nature. Research CFTRI stated that 16.5% higher protein, thiamine 27 to 32%, riboflavin 4 to 25%, niacin 2 to 36%, dietary fiber 34 to 44%. Panchpatra Tap Swed, Arcpatra Tap Swed. Most of the time, these tap swed are used for local heat transmitting. It relieves local stiffness and pain. The leaves used are usually thick to retain heat and transmit. Hence, Sweden is only sweating the individual. The purpose is to bring the dosha from Sakha to post Purvakarma to relieve the stiffness Samanakarma. The components involved are heating elements, heat transmitter, heat conversion, heat transportation, heat elimination in the system, heat resistance and tolerance are also to be considered. Thank you, all of you.